Hey guys, I'm about to tell you my 5 favorite things that are making me excited right now. Here's the first one. So we have Flesh. Flesh is a newer brand that just came out. This is Jiggly, and I'm wearing it right now. I love this color so much, and I love these blushes because they have just the right amount of pigment, and they're hydrating, and they don't dry, and they still give you coverage, and they're really pretty, and I'm in love with them. So the second thing I'm really into are the Honest Beauty lip crayons. See right here, there's a plethora of them, and I'm obsessed with them. I think that they have a really pretty texture. They're all natural. They have great essential oils in them. They just glide on really beautifully, and like so. And I've worn them in other videos, and I'm just obsessed with this formula. They're demi-matte, and I love them. Number 3, I got this from Kristen Gem, told me about this. This is the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. One thing is you're gonna get everything you pay for because it's in a tube, so you can squeeze it all out until you're done with it. This is the brush. And it's really inky formula, and it makes your eyelashes look really thick. So yes, and it's like really cute packaging. So in an earlier video that I shot today, I actually dropped this, and I'm really bummed out about it, but I'll get another one because they're not that expensive, which is great. So you get all these colors. This is by Revolution, the Makeup Revolution London, and it's the Emily edit, and it's called The Once, and it's definitely worth it. Comes with such a nice variety of colors, and it's really highly pigmented and really great. And I've met Emily Noel, who created this palette with them, and I love it, and I just think she's awesome, so I want to support her. But this is just a great palette. It's 20 bucks at Ulta, and I'm obsessed, and I'm really bummed out I dropped it. But what are you gonna do when they come for you? I got this perfume from Diptyqye, and the perfume is Fleur Diptyqye. Fleur Diptyqye. Is that what this is called? Fleur Diptyqye? I don't know, but I sprayed it on me the other day, and I wanted to leave it in here so I remembered to talk about it. It is such a good fragrance, but all the Diptyqye fragrances, I love their candles. They also have perfume, Fleur Diptyqye. Fleur Diptyqye. Fleur Diptyqye. Fleur Diptyqye. It just smells so light and so fresh and delicious, and even though it's 175 degrees outside and I'm wearing polyester, I still feel fresh when I spray this on me. So that's why it's one of my favorite things right now. I think you can't go wrong. I just got this great bag from Space NK. And I want to go through it, but that'll be another time. But anyway, I love you guys, and I mean it, and I hope you have a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you soon. And subscribe and pass this on to friends, and like and comment. Tell me what you want to see. Bye.